Hello, I'm Eric Payne. I want to encourage our senior plastic surgery residents in training to take our plastic surgery CPT coding workshop. This course is a 2-day virtual education workshop that will help you prepare for your future practice. When I was a first year attending, I realized I wasn't as informed about proper coding. I even had miscoded one of my board cases that was selected for the oral boards. They specifically asked me why I had coded the surgery the way I had done it. And my only response was, I didn't know what to do at the time and the best way to code that surgery. Fortunately, I passed my oral boards and now I'm board certified. However, I wish I had known about the coding workshop prior to collecting for my oral boards. This is your opportunity to become prepared for your career and the oral boards with this workshop. ASPS has even reduced the price of the course last year by an additional $100, and we are extending that to this year's plastic surgery residents as well. So check out the link and sign up. You will even get a coding workbook that is over 300 pages that will help you in your future training. We look forward to educating the next generation of plastic surgeons.